So you can see all the MIDI has been converted to audio and you're completely ready to put the final few touches of production before you take it to mixing and mastering. Hi, this is Abhyuday and we are meeting on Music Production Hub. In today's session, we're going to talk about artificial harmony. A lot of times in studio, we ask our singers to do harmonies for certain phrases in a whole song. Now, at certain times, due to time constraint or poor planning, which mostly happens to me, we fail to record natural harmony by the singer. So in the production session, we need to take those vocals and create artificial harmonies from it by duplicating the track and moving the phrases by certain semitones. Now for adding or removing these semitones, which is also called transposing, we must use the idea of which chord is being applied in which bar of music. I'm gonna give you this entire project as a free download and the link shall be below in the description. Great, so let's start working on the artificial harmony. Now, you have to first identify that which all places or which all phrases in this vocal you should harmonize. For the ease of my recording, let me take this vocal track on the absolute top of my project. To identify the phrases, let me first duplicate this vocal track within the same vocal group. And for the time being, let us hide all the other tracks. They would still be playing, but it will not take your focus away. Now in this duplicate track, we're gonna keep only the portions we wanna harmonize. Any part that we do not wanna harmonize can be deleted. Now transposing is not a big challenge. The thing is to how much you wanna transpose for which part of the entire phrase that you have taken. That means I might need to transpose this section separately, this section separately, and this section separately. I mean, depending on which notes and which chord is currently playing in this bar. Let's see. So let's write down the scale we have over here, which is F minor, which gives us notes like F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, and E flat. And the rule of harmonizing is between two notes, the original one and the harmony one, there should be at least 3 semitones of gap. With that idea, let us see how we can compose some harmony on top of our phrases. So it goes like this. Hum, tere, bin, ab. In the hum, we are not harmonizing, so just leave it. Tere, we have to harmonize. Bin, we have to harmonize. Ab, we have to harmonize. So these are the notes that are being hit over here. Hum, tere, bin, ab. So here the chord is F minor, which is F, A flat, and C. So for F, I'm proposing a harmony of A flat. For E flat, I'm proposing a harmony of G. For D flat, let us take it to F. And for C as well, we might continue to let it be at F. F to A flat is 3 semitones. E flat to G, 4 semitones. Same here. D flat to F, 4 semitones. C to F are 5 semitones. So remember, Te is gonna be plus 3 semitones. Re, bin is gonna be 4 semitones. Is gonna stay at 4 semitones, whereas B is gonna come at 5 semitones. And there you have it. You might want to add some crossfades in all these junctions. It's a little crossfade everywhere. Let's do the similar way for our next line. So we are doing from here to here. Tere bina kya? Again, we need to see what notes we are hitting over here. These are all hitting B flats. So I'm going to try with D flat, which is obviously plus 3 semitones. Let us try the entire section plus 3 semitones. Hey, if you think you're getting value from this video so far, how about you hit the like button once? Don't hit that twice, it doesn't really work. Now let's attempt this section, and this time let us attempt to go for minus transposition instead of plus. Now to do a negative harmony, since you know that the chord at this section is supposed to be B flat minor, which is B flat, D flat, and F. So you're gonna take the B flat down to F. So you're going to do a -5 transposition over here. For this one as well, it comes down to E flat. So I think we can apply a -5 harmony in the first B flat minor section in our phrase, that is this section. This section we know we're using an F minor, which is F, A flat, and C, and we're hitting the C notes. So you can either try to take it to F, which will be -7, or to an A flat, which shall be -4. Doesn't sound too bad, but one more thing I can do at this moment is that I can apply both. I make a further copy of this. I make this thing -7. So there is a -4 harmony, there is a -7 harmony. Both are being applied. And to do it even better, I would create a further track, take down the -4 here, because we are now using 2 harmonies. So we can pan one to the left, one to the right. Let's try. Now, this is sounding a little disbalanced because this is just 1 harmony in the mono, where these are 2 harmonies in stereo. So we can try to fix this section as well. So if we put this down harmony on our left ear, we can put something on our right ear, that is a +3, which will obviously take the B flat to D flat. Let us try to do that. Maybe this section we can give it a rest. Now there we go. So we have a mono harmony here and stereo harmonies here. Now what if we convert these mono harmonies too into a stereo harmony? Well, that would be a thing for you to try out, because I'm gonna give you this entire project as a free download and the link shall be below in the description. Alright, so now that we are done with the artificial harmonies, now it's time we attempt to mix and master this song. So click on the video on your screen right now to see how we mix and master this song.